I mean, there is some amount of personalization already with online learning. I mean, based on what you learned
Mhm.
before, it'll probably recommend similar courses and stuff like that. AI takes it to the next level. My question is, how much benefit is there to this extra level of personalization that AI brings?
Vinny, I think I think it's 100 times better,
Okay.
maybe 1,000 times better. Here's
Hmm.
why I say that.
Hmm.
When I go to Galileo and I ask
Hmm.
it a question,
Hmm.
it knows who I am.
Hmm.
It knows every other question I've ever asked it.
Hmm.
It knows my job role. It knows my
Yeah.
title.
Hmm.
It would know what company I'm in if I was in a company.
Yeah.
And those systems are getting smarter by the minute.
Yeah.
So the system that you're interacting with now for learning or knowledge, whatever you want to call it,
Hmm.
is going to have a very, very pinpointed re memory of what you've done in the past and who you are. By
Yeah.
the way, the memory in these systems is getting better all the time. They didn't have a
Yeah.
lot of memory for a while, but the
Hmm.
LLMs are starting to generate memory.
Yeah.
So I don't think it'll be very long before you're going to go to the system and you're going to say, by the way, I forgot how to do so and so. And the
Hmm.
system will say, oh, Josh, by the way, you asked me that last week, and here's what I explained to you. Have you had a problem applying it?
Hmm.
I mean, I
Yeah.
can see the thing turning into this teacher coach that
Hmm.
says, "Oh, I'll be happy to answer that for you, but let me remind you, you asked me the same question 2 weeks ago, and maybe you need some help applying it."
Yeah.
Or,
Hmm.
and I tell you, I know this. It's very, very hard to do that in the old models. We didn't know who the learners were. We
Right.
maybe knew their job time.
Yeah.
Maybe we knew what company they were in.
Hmm.
Um,
Right. That's
We
a
didn't
great
know how
point.
smart, how much they knew. I mean, unless you had I mean, then you do things like let's have a pre-course assessment to place you into the course. That's ridiculous. Now I just have to wait 15 minutes to do that before I can actually take the course I want to take. That never
Yeah.
worked.